that sound? Sport mode.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
What up, what up, what up? You join me in a PLV drive in the Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 V6 today, and it's doing a terrific job. I can't fault it in any way. This is probably one of the best cars we've ever got to daily. And me personally, out of all the cars, I feel like $1 million driving this car. Like, it just feels like you're some sort of CEO, business owner. For the previous comments, I do appreciate everybody letting me know about the doors not fully aligned. That's why there's a gap there, you can still hear the wind. We just had to quickly get the doors on this car and get to the MOT station, which we did. Basically half a tank, 70 pounds of diesel, V-power diesel. Pick up on a few things and why I love this Touareg. I've got cruise control, we've got heated seats right here. It's got sensors on the front of the car, it's got sensors on the side of the car. You've got like a green light that comes here and it will tell you how close you're getting all around the side. And boy, I've never experienced that from humble beginnings. Obviously it's automatic. You can slide it in here and you can change the gears manually. This car has got a bit of an umph. When you put your foot down, it kicks in. A 3-litre engine with a V6. This produces 221 brake horsepower, 2.5 ton tank of a car this is. And this is what they call a true rig. And that's why I'm dailying this, so it can trailer cars that we have. The interior, once the heated seats are on, a parrot here, a little part here, compartment right here. 2 USB chargers there and there. The glasses holder, I've got high diff, low diff, different selection. All electric windows are here. It's all set up. I'm some sort of a pilot driving this plane. A sunroof here, there you go. This car only cost us £900. This is a steal at that price. This has the same platform as the Audi Q7 and the Porsche Cayenne. But anyway, we need to do some 0 to 60s in this car. I'm just going to wait for the weather to get better and then we can do all those things. So stay locked in with this one. So we've made it at Birmingham Evening Road MOT station as usual. If you want your car MOT'd, come down this place, they'll sort you out with a good price. Good rates for your modified cars as well. We'll also be hosting a charity car wash meet next Sunday. So if you want to be involved, hit me up, DM me, or just come down. Mini pull from here, from 0. Get ready. Sport mode. This is crazy. How can a 2.5 ton car pull so quick? Unbelievable, that is. It sounds different in sport mode as well. It's got more of a growl. One thing I don't like about this car is when it comes to slowing down, it takes so long. Sport mode. Whoa! That torque just instantly just kicks in. 25 pull now. Boom. Boom, that's it. That's all you need. Very punchy. Love it. Love this car. This car is not what I expected. I thought it's a big car, 2.5 tons. It still has potential. This car is exceptional. Generous 7 out of 10. I thought I would hate big cars. I'm more of a hatchback or a coupe guy. It makes me feel like big cars are capable cars and they shouldn't be looked down on. Some people have mentioned that we can delete the DPF and tune this to around near 300 brake horsepower. We've got to get the engine out of this Touareg. We're going to get to work. We're going to get all this mess out and eventually get that Touareg off.
Okay. Keep going, keep going. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Because the car is automatic, the car is stuck on park mode. Taking the gearbox, the top cover off, there's like a red safety button. If you push that to the right, the car can go into neutral. basically got full access right there, that red thing there. Yeah, so basically
Put it in reverse.
so
Gonna give you a heart attack.
so we're not going to put it back in reverse now. If we've got it out of reverse and it's in neutral, we're going to leave it like that. They changed their plan. Unbolt the engine and the gearbox. We can take it to the scrapyard. When they lift up the shaft, the subframe and the wheel and the engine and the gearbox will stay on the trailer, but we still got the main bit which we wanted, the engine and gearbox. Alright, let's get the rest of it done then. Alright! On our way to Tironi's. Let's see how much money we get with this. Just like that. Right, let me know how much it weighs. 4,020 kgs. What car toy thing that was. Taha thought it was going to be £90, I thought £100, and the winner is £156.
Yeah.
Well, that's the Touareg done now, so we can head back to the unit and start clearing everything up. Happy Ramadan to everybody. Get back to the unit in 3, 2, 1. We are filling up a 1,000 litre container to go to Smalley's, Birmingham, to Charity Car Wash, a Turkey earthquake appeal. Just trying to show that anybody can do this, so hopefully this will inspire many other youngsters out there. Eventually we will work on the FN2 that will be out of the unit soon as well. Until next time, if you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.